Hello there, it's me, Santa. Christmas is coming and I need to know what presents you want this year. Why don't you have a personal video chat with me from the comfort of your own home?
Bye, Santa!
I'm looking forward for the Christmas presents.
Have you been naughty or have you been nice this year?
Nice.
Is that true, Mommy and Daddy? Have you told Mommy and Daddy what you want for Christmas?
Mm-hmm.
What's your
Marcus!
She said she wants to go to your house.
Head to Christmas Wonderland now and book a video chat with me. I can't wait to meet you. See you soon. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.